Hello, this is Amanda Farlinger with From Where I Stamp near Kingston, Ontario. And I realized after I hit stop on my last video about this really cute birthday scrapbook layout that I forgot to share the new colors. So let's take a moment now to do that. So if you haven't watched this video, at the end of this video, it'll link to this one. But we have our colors. I put them on a ring. So we have in our regals, we have some new colors. I shouldn't say new colors. We have new colors, 2 new colors, and a moved color. So we have Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Garden Green, and Shaded Spruce, which have been in there. And then we have Pretty Peacock, Blueberry Bushel, and then Gorgeous Grape, one of my favorite purples, is in this color family. Yeah, this is probably better if I open up this, and then you can see the colors. So here, so these are the colors in the regals. Oh, let me move that. So these 2 are new. This one has moved. Okay. So those are fun colors. And then we have our brights. Now those 2, the Blueberry Bushel and Pretty Peacock, were previous in colors. So these are the brights. Pumpkin Pie has moved from regals to the brights. And so we have Poppy, Parade, Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Azure Afternoon, and Berry Burst. Lemon Lime Twist and Berry Burst were in colors before. Azure Afternoon is a brand new color. So we haven't seen that before. I think we have 3 new colors in the collection. So those are the brights. And all of these colors, I'm really excited to try out the color combinations. It's one of my favorite things about Stampin' Up. And one of the reasons I decided to join Stampin' Up was the color coordination and the colors they had. They were gorgeous. And I love how they do a color refresh every 3 to 5-ish years. So that way we get new colors and we stay current, and it gives us new creativity that we can play around with some of these colors from different color collections or new ones. So we have in the subtles, Petal Pink, Calypso Coral, Lemon Lolly, which is a light yellow, a brand new color, Soft Sea Foam, Lost Lagoon, Pool Party, Balmy Blue, Highland Heather, Fresh Freesia, and Bubble Bath. Oh, I guess maybe we have 4 because we had, where did it go? Azure Afternoon. Oh, where is it? Right here? Yeah, this one here. All right, so Lemon Lolly and Bubble Bath are 2 of the new colors. Lost Lagoon is an in color that has returned. Okay, Bubble Bath and Lemon Lolly. All right. And then in our neutrals, I have black and white here, and vanilla. So Mossy Meadow, Misty Moonlight, which was in color. I'm glad it's back. Night of Navy, Blackberry Bliss has moved to neutrals. Early Espresso, Pecan Pie, which is a new one. Crumb Cake, Gray Granite, Smoky Slate, and Basic Gray. So Pecan Pie is another of our new colors. Misty Moonlight was an in color that's come back. So those are some fun colors too. All right, so we have 4 new colors, brand new, never seen before. And even this color combination is pretty. I would make a scrapbook layout with those colors, and I might just have to. But it's fun to see what colors come back, and also the new in colors. So here's our 2022 to 2024 in colors here. I love Orchid Oasis and Starry Sky. Then we have Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, Boho Blue, Moody Mauve, and Pebble Path. So these are the 5 new colors that will be coming in May as well. So if these colors look interesting and fun, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel so that way you can see me create with these new colors. And I'm going to try and weave in new colors to try them out and see how they work with all the other collections and colors, with our neutrals and our brights, our in colors, and it's just, colors are fun. It's fun to stick to either like a neutral brown or try out the pink, or my favorite color, purples. So I'll see you next time.